Rhys Davies. I'm Dairy Technical Officer for Farming Connected North Wales. I'm here in Gelliaid College, where we're in the middle of the Meistr Dairy workshop. We're holding a 3-day workshop to try and help dairy farmers to improve their grassland utilisation by improving the soils and the sward that they have to begin with, then to help them interpret the grass growth on their farms, to use software to interpret the data and to make better decisions. So far it's been excellent. The feedback that we've had has been very positive. The opportunity really that they've had to delve a bit deeper into the subject matter. The 15 who have attended have benefited a great deal, and the dialogue between the speakers, the farmers that we visited has been tremendous.
I think there's massive potential in Wales. We can grow a lot of grass. Generally, I don't think we make the best use of it. So they can pick up a lot on this course on how to efficiently manage grass a bit better on their farms. Utilisation can be difficult at times, particularly when conditions are bad as they are this year. But there are a lot of tools that we can use to actually maximise utilisation.
It's now is the time for the grass wedge to start using a grass wedge and get really going with grass measurement as well. Measurements every week and using the grass wedge then to make the most informed decisions to try to cope with the surpluses of grass that are going to come to pass in the next couple of weeks.
We will be holding up beef and sheep master grass in Glynllifon next month. The opportunity to increase stocking rates by moving from a set stock situation to a rotational grazing situation, by increasing the live weight gains on their stock from, again, the cheapest source available on their farm.